Okay, good. Now the next company we're actually looking at is Yangzijiang. So Yangzijiang, okay, is predominantly a shipbuilding company. They are also into other business like trading, investment, and others, so on and so forth. So you can see that this is the breakdown of the revenue. Okay, by the way, this is in renminbi, renminbi. They actually shipbuilding for 2020 is 9 billion, 2019 is 13 B renminbi, so on and so forth. So this is the one maybe you want to pay attention to, okay, which is related to what we actually track later. Why we just focus on shipbuilding? Because that's the largest portion for Yangzijiang. Okay, so 45 vessels delivered in FY 2020 versus 59 in 2019. Core shipbuilding revenue was lower, 10 billion. Decline in trading volume, trading business revenue decline in FY 2020 as well. Okay, so if you are interested to what kind of ship that they do, predominantly this dry bulker and multi-purpose. Okay, so if you want the picture, unfortunately, you have to go to the website. I'm not the ship person as well. So of course, they also do things like oil tanker, okay, very small. Okay, mainly is the dry bulk and multi-purpose, and the container ship, as you can see here. Okay, so last year they actually came down. Okay, so this is the historical order books. Okay, what we actually want to show here is this. You can see that the order books actually is popping up. Okay, come up all the way, but it's actually popping up. Okay, bulk carrier and tanker market remains sluggish. Container and LNG carrier are seeing strong inquiries. Yangzijiang is developing mid-sized LNG carrier to move up the value chain. So they are also changing here, and we have quite a good strong order books compared to this is 2020. Okay, so this is actually, okay, later the numbers are, so this is 2020. This is, okay, yeah, sorry, this is based on quarter, so it's actually moving up. Also, this is actually based on quarter figures, So obviously you can see that during the COVID actually came down, okay, but it seems to be coming up. Now, this is the most important slide about Yangzijiang that I want to share. So of course, Yangzijiang, unlike Raffles and Keppel, so Raffles is they have a very clear growth story. They are going to China. So the question is, are they going to be successful? That will decide whether you buy, don't buy the stocks at buy or don't buy the stocks. For Keppel is actually into transformation. So whether you buy the stocks or not is whether you think they're going to be successful. And for Yangzijiang, very straightforward. They are shipbuildings. They are building ship. Okay, you just have to see whether do they have new or more orders coming in. More order coming in. So apparently, okay, very interesting. For Yangzijiang, they actually have 2020, Yangzijiang Shipbuilding secured new orders of 54 vessels worth US 1.8 billion, which was about double that of 2019. Okay, so this brought its outstanding order books to 3.1 billion as at end of December 2020. Okay, this should provide a stable revenue stream till end of 2022. Okay, sorry, there's one figure I want to share. Here, okay. Okay, so basically at the end of December 2020, they already have order books of 3.1 billion. So just in case you are not familiar with order books, so basically order books, after the orders are being fulfilled, this 3.1 billion will become profit or will become revenue. Can I just get someone to share? So of course, this is the orders that people place. So after they fulfill the order, it will become revenue. Thank you so much. Okay, now. Okay, thanks. So if you can see, even we use 2019, the shipbuilding revenue was 13 billion. This is in renminbi. Okay, this is renminbi. Let's use 13 billion renminbi. We look at this 3.1 billion, this is in US. Can someone just do a quick calculation? This 3.1 billion is roughly about how many times the 2019 revenue? Can I just get trouble someone to do the calculation, do the maths? Okay, this is in US dollar. This is in renminbi. Also, the question is this 3.1 billion is roughly how many times? 20 times? No lah. Okay. 3.1 billion is about, oh, you're saying that, oh, Heike, you're saying that, okay, 3.1 billion is about 20.35 RMB. So basically, you can cover for, it's almost double, or either that 1.5 years. Okay, so what they're saying here is this, they already have the order books that can cover them for equivalent to about 1.5 years. I use 2019 one as example. Okay, and this is the best part. Has maintained its order momentum win since the start of the year, securing shipbuilding 29 vessels worth US 1.3 billion year to date. Okay, so this is from Jan 2021 till today, year to date, they already have another US 1.3 billion. Okay, again, can I just trouble someone? Oh, US 1.3 billion convert to renminbi, how much is it? Okay, if we convert 1.3, okay, about 8.54, that means it's about 30. 30. So easily you can cover. So again, let's use this. That means on the order books, you can actually cover the revenue for about 2.5 to 3 years. Or put it this way, that means for the next 2.5 to 3 years, okay, their revenue is actually quite secure. That's what we actually do with order book analysis. That means if nothing goes wrong, if they just continue to deliver for next 2.5 to 3 years, very stable revenue, very stable income. Okay. So of course I will send all these slides to you. Of course, it's also all recorded. Then you can actually read into detail if you're interested. Is it a bulk carrier? Is it a container ship? So you can actually go and read in detail. But my point here is this: they actually have very strong order books. Can cover up to them for 3 years of revenue, which I thought you actually give them very stable income at least for the next 2 to 3 years. That's actually what it means to me. Okay. So 6 tests. Okay, I don't know why I keep on saying 5 here. 6 tests. Profit past 5 years, yes. Okay. Current ratio pass. Debt equity pass. Profit margin pass. Interest cover pass. Okay. Operating cash flow for past 2 years did not pass. Okay. So we actually look into detail. So what happened here is this: they actually said that they actually buy into a debt instrument. Okay. They actually went to invest in a bond or something like that. Okay. That's why it's negative. Okay, so if you ask me, yeah, it's legitimate. It's actually no big deal. They just invest in bonds, so no big deal. So that is actually quite fine. Okay. PE 8.76, PB ratio 0.66, dividend yield 4.05, DCF is 1.98. Anybody know what's the price today? Okay, 1.3, 1.31. Thank you so much. Okay, so this is Yangzijiang. Anybody has any comments, questions?